Welcome, my dear students, to the class of maths. Today our lecture is of revision on word problems, addition and subtraction. So here are the keywords of addition: add, plus, and, total, sum, altogether, together, in all, more, increased by, combined, and both. So here are the steps to follow in word problems. What information is given, what is asked, what method should be used. So students, first we will see examples of addition word problem. Baburao planted 143 sweet lime trees and 156 chiku trees in his orchard. How many trees did he plant in all? So, as you all know, in word problems, first we are going to write what is given. Given is number of sweet lime trees 143, number of chiku trees 156. To know the answer, we will use the method addition. The numbers we will arrange according to the place value, starting from the units. 3 plus 6, the answer is 9. 4 plus 5, the answer is 9. 1 plus 1, the answer is 2. Therefore, Baburao planted 299 trees in all. Moving on to our next example. If 1310 children, 1505 women and 790 men came to watch the circus, how many people came to watch the circus all together? So here first we will write given. Given is number of children 1310, number of women 1505, number of men 790. So to find out the answer, we will use method addition, and the numbers we will arrange according to the place value, starting from the units. 0 plus 5 plus 0, the answer is 5. 1 plus 0 plus 9, the answer is 10. 1 we will carry over in 100 place, 0 we will write in tens place. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, the answer is 16. 1 we will carry over in 1000 place, 6 we will write in 100 place. 1 plus 1 plus 1, the answer is 3. Therefore, there are 3605 people came to watch the circus all together. Now students, we are going to see keywords for subtraction. Subtract, minus, take away, take from, less, reduce, fewer, remains, left, how many more, difference between. Now we are going to solve subtraction word problems. So here is our first example. There are 1473 Marathi books and 586 Hindi books in a school library. Which language has more books than the other, and how many more are there? So first we are going to start writing with given information. Number of Marathi books 1473. Number of Hindi books 586. So Marathi books are more than Hindi books. So to find out the answer, we will use method subtraction. Numbers we will arrange according to the place value. Starting from the units 3 minus 6, we can't subtract. So units will borrow from tens place. After borrowing 1 tens, we get 13 in units place and 6 will remain in tens place. Now 13 minus 6, the answer is 7. Now moving on to the tens place, 6 minus 8, we can't subtract. So tens will borrow from 100 place. After borrowing 100, we get 16 in tens place and 3 will remain in 100 place. Now 16 minus 8, we get 8. Moving on to the 100 place, 3 minus 5, we can't subtract. So 100 will borrow from 1000 place. After borrowing 1000, we get 13 in 100 place and 0 will remain in 1000 place. Now 13 minus 5, we get 8 and 0 will remain in 1000 place. Therefore, there are 887 more Marathi books than Hindi books. Now students, we are going to see mixed word problem. So here is our example. The sitting capacity of a playground is 20,750. If there were 8,500 women and 11,200 men present for a function, how many seats remained vacant? So here in mixed word problem, we are going to solve two equations in one sum. So let's continue. First, we will write given. Number of men 11,200. Number of women 8,500. So to find out total number of men and women, we will use method addition. So the numbers we will arrange according to the place value. Starting from the units, 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. 2 plus 5, the answer is 7. 1 plus 8, the answer is 9. And 1 plus nothing, the answer is 1. Thus, 19,700 seats were occupied by both men and women. Moving on to our next step. Given total sitting capacity is 20,750. Seats occupied by men and women are 19,700. We have to find out how many seats remained vacant. So the method we will use subtraction. The numbers we will arrange according to the place value. Starting from the units, 0 minus 0, we get 0. 5 minus 0, we get 5. 7 minus 7, we get 0. 0 minus 9, we can't subtract. So 1000 will borrow from 10,000 place. After borrowing 10,000, we get 10 in 1000 place and 1 will remain in 10,000 place. Now 10 minus 9, we get 1 and 1 minus 1, we get 0. Therefore, 1050 seats remained vacant. Now students, we are going to learn framing, making questions of addition and subtraction based on the given information. So here is our example. The population of one town is 76,560. The population of another town is 57,940. So first we are going to frame addition problem. Population of town A is 76,560 and that of town B is 57,940. What will be the total population of both the towns together? After this, we are going to frame subtraction problem. Population of town A is 76,560 and that of town B is 57,940. What is the difference between the population of town A and B? Now students, we are going to learn framing, making questions of addition and subtraction, and we are going to solve it. Moving on to the example, cost of new motorcycle rupees 44,340, cost of old motorcycle rupees 4,550. So students, first we will frame addition problem. So cost of a new and old motorcycle are rupees 44,340 and rupees 4,550 respectively. What will be the total cost of both the motorcycles? So first we will start with given. Cost of new motorcycle rupees 44,340, cost of old motorcycle rupees 4,550. To find out answer, we will use method addition. The numbers we will arrange according to the place value. Starting from the units, 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. 4 plus 5, we get 9. 3 plus 5, we get 8. 4 plus 4, we get 8. 4 plus nothing, we will get 4. Therefore, both the motorcycles cost rupees 48,890. Now students, with the same information, we will frame subtraction problem. Cost of new and old motorcycles rupees 44,340 and rupees 4,550 respectively. What will be the difference in the cost of both the motorcycles? So first we will write the given information. Cost of new motorcycle rupees 44,340, cost of old motorcycle rupees 4,550. To find out the answer, we will use method subtraction. Now the numbers we will arrange according to the place value. Starting from the units, 0 minus 0, we get 0. 4 minus 5, we can't subtract. So tens will borrow from 100 place. After borrowing 100, we get 14 in tens place and 2 will remain in 100 place. Now 14 minus 5, we get 9. 2 minus 5, we can't subtract. So 100 will borrow from 1000 place. After borrowing 1000, we get 12 in 100 place and 3 will remain in 1000 place. Now 12 minus 5, we get 7. 3 minus 4, we can't subtract. So 1000 will borrow from 10,000 place. After borrowing 10,000, we get 13 in 1000 place and 3 will remain in 10,000 place. Now 13 minus 4, we get 9. 3 minus nothing, we get 3. Therefore, the new motorcycle is costlier by rupees 39,790. Hope students, you all have understood how to solve word problems of addition and subtraction. Now you will find very easy to solve these sums. Thank you.